Dave Hall here, Restore a Muscle Car out of Lincoln, Nebraska. We actually have, this is a 77 Trans Am Special Edition. It has Hurst T-Tops in it, but they're the second design Hurst T-Tops. For those of you that know much about Hurst T-Tops, the Hurst T-Tops came out in '76 on the Firebirds and Camaros. As they progressed, the first version got replaced with a second version, and the second version actually was designed to where the headliner was held up with basically plastic trim. The plastic trim that is in my hand, this is all from one half of the car. It's very common that they get very brittle and they break where the screws get put in. So it's been something that we've been working on for quite a while, and I have Jake here with me. He's one of our lead engineers that does all of our designing for our three-dimensional parts, our CAD design and stuff like that. I'm going to have Jake kind of touch on how we took basically a revision of the Hurst T-top moldings and remade them so that way the industry can use them.
So basically I have here the design I had come up with. I took a NOS piece and designed it in CAD, and this is out of ABS plastic that we dyed so it's UV resistant, so it will become less brittle in the sunlight. Like Dave said, it's a second revision, so it's a little different than these ones, but they should all fit the same, and I measured all the whole locations, so you shouldn't have a problem putting them in.
We now have these available on our website for sale in our e-commerce, our eBay store. We are making them in-house, so there's it takes about 3 days, I think, of print time to print both sides, and then we assemble them and stuff so that they get ready to send out. But this new design is actually, we make them a little bit thicker so that they should last longer and not be as brittle at all in the future. And then also the little pieces that come with to hold the ends of the weather stripping on and the channels, we also reproduce those, and they're sent also along with the new U-shaped channels that we have as well. So there's full pictures that we'll link to off of this YouTube video so that you can look at all the items that come with it. And if you have any problems, we want you to reach out to us so that we can help you get the right revision for your car so that your headliner stays up and it looks nice and you don't have a bunch of cracked pieces like we got here. Thanks, guys.